Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I feel very intuitive today and I feel like working with the huge 8-inch brush. So let's not wait and let's get started. Slightly damping the canvas. And I got here a bunch of colors left from another work and I feel like just dropping some of these colors. This is a transparent brown. This is a sap green light. This is another sap green, slightly darker. I do want that a little bit different colored, so I'm dropping some India yellow. Do I want to add some orange? I think I do. So well, the orange is not coming out. Let's skip that for now. Let's see what this color makes. There we go. That's a color I love. It's good. Yeah, definitely a color that I love. Love that effect here as well. Some negative space up here. Let's wet the top part a little bit more, so that won't be as dark. Do I want a simple composition? I think I do. I love lines like that. This background, it's super lovely. I love that. So this is an India yellow and this is a quinacridone nickel azo gold. Let's start working with some white right about here. Ooh! Ain't that cool? Ain't that cool? Still have some residue here on the brush. So still just using only the big brush so far. Okay, let's go here. So I did not really like that part, so took that away. Now let's bring in a smaller brush. I just go again. Ooh, okay, that one I like. These colors, they just work together, don't they? That looks kind of cool. I love that line. This is starting to look very cool. Maybe this part, it's too big. I really like how layered this all is. Maybe I should just focus a little bit more here in the center. Yeah, I just have a feeling it's just like 1 or 2 brush strokes to make this one. Oh, that is very stunning. I think I should have kept it simpler. You know what? I'm gonna let this dry, rethink this painting, hang it up, look at it, and I'll be back. Woohoo! Here you go. Here's the final end result of today's painting. A big green rough painting. It has so many layers and I love that. Lately I've been working quite crisp, quite neat, and this one is a change of scenery. And I'm here for it. I hope you loved this video. Let me know what you think about this painting. I would love to hear that, like always. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, if you want to know what art supplies I use, go check out the description. And if you want to follow one of my art courses, go check out the description as well. I'll see you next week, Saturday.